Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Now, I am going to discuss about Top 10 Best Mini Fridges, 2020 edition. 10. Star Wars Han Solo 12L 3D Mini Fridge. Key features. Officially licensed Star Wars Han Solo 3D Mini Fridge. Last note, this fridge heats and cools and can be plugged into your car. Geek Life enhanced this Star Wars mini fridge set you apart from all the rest. You have arrived. Check out the lighting function and grab yours today while supplies last. For wonks, what is a wonk? Someone who is passionate and knowledgeable about their interests in. 9. CoolUly Mini Fridge Electric Cooler and Warmer. Key features. Convenient plus lightweight, the CoolUly Classic 4-liter Thermo-Electric Cooler Warmer Mini Fridge sports a matte finish and a modern profile that's perfectly portable. This unit measures 7.25 W x 10.25 D x 10.75 H and weighs 4 pounds. The inner dimensions are 5.3 L x 5.7 D x 8.3 H. Multiple functions plus uses. The Classic 4L is super versatile. Use it anywhere to store food, drinks, beer, snacks, breast milk, insulin, skincare, and medications. 8. Higher HC27 SF22 or B2.7 cubic feet refrigerator freezer black. Key features. Half-width freezer compartment with ice cube tray. 2 full-width interior wire shelves, 2 full-width door storage shelves, accommodates 2-liter and tall bottles. Space-saving flat back design and manual defrost type. Adjustable leveling legs. Adjustable thermostat. 7. CULINAIR F100S 1.7 cubic foot compact refrigerator silver and black. Key features. 1.7 cubic foot compact fridge. Thermo-electric technology auto defrost and temperature controller. Flushback design with adjustable feet and a reversible door. Ultra quiet. Unit cools to 51 degrees Fahrenheit, 11 degrees Celsius. Note, mini fridges are not intended for garage or outdoor use. This model performs as designed and is not intended to replace a traditional home refrigerator unit. 6. Compact reversible double door refrigerator. Key features. Adjustable temperature ranges. Refrigerator compartment 32 to 50 F. Freezer compartment -11.2 to 5 F. Features adjustable legs and a reversible door that can open from left or right. Interior light. Fresh section, 2.2 cubic feet. Freezer section, 0.9 cubic feet. Separate fruit and vegetable drawer. Note, the internal walls of the main compartment are slightly tapered toward the back. 5. IGLOO FR326MD Black Erase Board Refrigerator with neon markers. Key features. Easily write and erase right on the fridge. The front door is a dry erase board. 3.2 cubic foot fridge and freezer. Reversible door. Door basket for 2-liter bottles. Adjustable thermostat. Slide out glass shelves and ice cube tray. 4. HISENSE RT33D 6-bay compact refrigerator. Key features. 2.3 cu foot refrigeration compartment and 1.0 cu foot freezer compartment. 2 glass shelves are easy to clean and make food more accessible. Interior light. Reversible doors. Energy Star certified. 3. MIDEA WHS65LB1 compact single reversible door refrigerator and freezer. Key features. Mechanical temperature adjustment ranges from -2 to 2 Celsius, 32 to 35.6 Fahrenheit. Large storage areas excellent at chilling beverages and healthy snacks. Produce, however, cannot be used for storing frozen foods or making ice cubes. Features adjustable legs and a reversible door that can open from left or right. Min-Max frozen food section 3250 full 1-year warranty. External product dimensions, 17.7 x 18.6 x 19.4. Note, the internal walls of the main compartment are slightly tapered toward the back. 2. RCA, IGLOO 3.2 CUFT Platinum Fridge. Key feature. 3.2 cubic foot fridge and freezer with platinum finish compressor cooling for ultimate performance even in hot weather. Reversible door makes it easy to fit this in any spot of your room. CFC-free adjustable thermostat and adjustable lever feet offers the ultimate in versatility. Slide out shelves makes it easy to clean. Low energy consumption. Built-in can and bottle holder for drinks. 1. DANBY Designer DAR 026A1 BDD Compact All Refrigerator 2.6 cubic feet black. Key features. The DANBY Designer DAR 026A1 BDD is a compact fridge, and it features a capacity of 2.6 cubic feet. It carries the Energy Star label and uses less electricity than many competing products. The door inside of this refrigerator can hold up to 8 cans, and it will hold all types of beverages.